Are you looking forward to create Mango account online? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily create your Mango account. First thing first, move into the Safari. In the address bar, you need to search for Mango Sign Up. Head over to the very first site, shop.mango.com. In this page, you will be able to create your account. Simply enter your email address and then create a password for your account. Once you have entered, also choose your specific country and then enter your mobile number. Once done, click on this checkbox and then click on Create Account. You might receive a verification code on your email address or the number. You have to copy that code and enter it in the section you are asked to. Once done, click on Done. After that, your account will be created successfully. So this is simply how you can create your Mango account online. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.